everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about a Nissan Qashqai door steel protector sticker. Since I have childs and they are not really taking care of the car, especially of the door steel, then I was looking for a solution where I have found in AliExpress a door steel protector sticker. I will leave a link below in the description below, and we'll show you how I have applied those stickers. If you want, you can like this video. If you want, you can repeat the procedure. It's up to you. I don't want to waste your time. I have cleaned it very well, the door steel, and after then I have used the dry paper and cleaned it out, and then I have applied it. Applying it simple, you can see in the speed up video. And in the end, if you think you have learned something from this video, at least you have seen how does it looks like in a Nissan Qashqai, do not hesitate to hit the like and the subscribe button, because it's helping me as well. Thank you very much.